Shalom and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamar and today we're going to make challah, chocolate babka, and Za'atar rolls from regular challah dough. Super fun to have different variations of things that we make out of the regular challah dough that we make for Shabbos. This time I made 1.5 kilos so that I can make some extra babka cake because it's actually the same dough. Here you can see all that gluten. So 2/3 are going to be the regular challah, and 1/3 I'm going to leave for the babka, and also I'm going to do special za'atar bread for my daughter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 spoons of olive oil, 2 spoons of za'atar. This is like a za'atar mix. It includes za'atar and also sesame. 1, 2. Okay, let's mix it up. I'm trying to make shablule za'atar for Ayala.
What are you trying to make?
Shablule za'atar for Ayala.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go. I gotta tell you that.
Start with that, and if I need more, I'll add more. So let's see. Better, because it's a cocoa powder, I prefer to make a little bit extra than to make less and then not to have enough, because I really want to have my babkas super chocolatey. So I see it needs a little bit more oil. You want it to be like hummus consistency. Okay, let me put it in the fridge a little bit because it's a little bit too, I want it to be a little bit harder. this became a little bit divided is either you don't let it rise enough time, or when you braid it too hard. So I'm not sure which I did, but again, it doesn't affect the taste at all. It just affects a little bit the way it looks, that it's not as beautiful as it can be. This one's going to go to a very special person who just came back fighting in Lebanon. So we'll give it to his family for Shabbat. And then on Sunday, I think he goes back to the army. So I can't even tell you how grateful we are for everything they do for us. Uh-oh. It's secret chocolate challah.
We can't tell it to Abba.
This one we're going to give to Green.
We can't tell it to Abba. It looks super yummy.
I know it's fun.
It looks more corazon.
Well, that's a huge challah. It came out huge. You know what I made for you, Ayana? Surprise. Should I show you what I made for you?
Yeah.
You know what I made special?
What?
Something that you like. Let me show you. Za'atar! Shablul Za'atar. You wanted me to make it for you?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
So the chocolate babkas came out and our chocolate challah. So we have that, and we have here we have the Za'atar bread. She took a little taste from it. Oh my goodness. Okay, you want to taste the yada?
Yeah. Oh.
Right, it ta'im bermot. You're doing great.
What about Mianos?
Oh my gosh, completely parve.
3?
I made 3, one for green.
One for green, one for Kiddush, and one for us.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Abba, באמת, I'm like shocked. I'm shocked it's so good. Another piece?
Happy or happy?
Okay.
אם הכיוונתי את זה עליי טוב,